Hello friends, this is Rahul again from the Lifestyle channel, and today we're gonna do a very small video of car equipments. So yes, today I'm gonna do an installation of the fog lamps of my car, as well as I'm gonna do an installation of the horn, of a new horn. Both the fog lamp and the horn is from Hella, and the horn is Hella Chrome Trumpet and fog lamp is Hella Night Rider. So as of now you can see there is no fog lamps I have, but I do have a horn, of course. So let me quickly give you a small sound demonstration of the horn so that you can understand how it sounds, and then I'm going to again do a sound demonstration of the horns once I install a new one. So let's get started. And before we get to the video, please click on the like button, hit the subscribe button and check out the bell icon to get our latest updates as soon as we upload. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, let me give you a quick horn review. And as you guys can see that it's only me who's doing the video. So I'm going to be bringing up the microphone as close to the bonnet, and let's see how much horn sound we can capture to this microphone. Okay, stay tuned. Alright guys, I have attached the horn. I've attached the microphone just near to the horn. So let's now tune up the horn and let's see how much it sounds. Stay tuned. Alright, now I'm gonna make a small horn review or horn sound review from inside of the car. Let's see how much you can get. Okay, here I go, coming in the car. Now I'm closing the door. Okay, now let's see. Here we go. You can see how much the horn sounds. Now let's get to the shop, get the new horns installed, and then we can hear how much it sounds. And let me also show you guys the new set of horn as well as the fog lamps. Okay, stay online. Let me quickly put down my mobile phone. Okay. This is the fog lamp which I'm going to be using. Okay, as you can see, Hella Night Rider, and so everything mentioned over here, and MRP is 1850. I purchased this from Amazon, both the horns as well as the Night Rider lamps, both from Amazon, and the price is less than the MRP, of course. This is the horn set, as you guys can see. It's Hella Chrome twin horn. Okay, so great. Stay online. Let me quickly get this installed and let's see how this sounds, as well as I'm going to take my car to the highways at night and we'll check out the fog lamps. Great. Stay online, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, the Lifestyle channel. See you soon. and today I'm gonna show you what are the things which has been completed here. Let me quickly reverse the camera. Alright guys, here are my horns. It's 2 horn set, Headlight Trumpet. As you guys have already checked out the installation on the previous part of the video, these are the horns which are being set right here. And let me also show you guys the fog lamps. Here are my fog lamp. This one is the right fog lamp, as you guys can see, and here it is. Let me quickly show the other one. This one is the left fog lamp. Okay, alright, here it is. Let me also show you one thing. As I have a trip planned on January and I'm a frequent highway driver and winter is nearby, so I plan to install bulbs. So headlight bulbs I have installed, and let me also show the bulb details. This is 130 by 100 Philips bulb, and if you guys are planning to install these bulbs, you will also have to install a relay kit. As you guys can see the wiring, this is headlight bulb relay kit. This is for Philips itself, and if you guys are planning to install high power bulb, please do install this relay kit, or else your internal wiring of the car will be fried, because the internal wiring for the car is only made for the default bulb, which is 60 by 55 watt, and this is 100 by 130. So please do install this relay kit if you are planning to upgrade your headlight. And this is the inbuilt relay on the relay kit, and as you guys can see, this is the internal wiring which goes to the other headlight, and one point socket also goes to the battery, and we also need a ground, which is the earthing. Now let me quickly take this car to the highway and check out everything I have installed. Stay tuned to my channel. Alright, let's test out the horns first. Sounds nice, isn't it? Now let's try out the lights. Alright, let me first show the glowing switch for my fog lamp. Here it is. Okay, I have installed this switch so that I can understand if it's on or off from the car. And here is the throw of my fog lamp. Let's turn it off, and let's turn on the headlights now. Here is the low beam, this is the high beam and low beam, and this is dipper. So if you guys are planning to use the dipper, you know how it is. This is high beam now, and with the fog lamp, and low beam again with the fog lamp. You guys can see the throw, and high beam with the fog lamp. Check out the difference. So if you're planning to go on a highway road trip, please do get high power lights installed. It will definitely help you guys. Till then, like the video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates.